Yes, I'm back again today. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm here to say, or today I can't talk about how we go to make our country great again. How can we make our country, Nigeria, great again? Because when we dey grow, they come. I dey hear when they say Nigeria, we are the giant of Africa. But today, where we giant go, I no know. Today, na we come be the country wey be say we dey suffer the more. We be like people wey be say we dey inside river and soap dey enter our eyes. Those kind of things no be wetin good. We dey in the mix of plenty and we dey hungry. No be wetin dey right, no be wetin good, my people. How can we make Nigeria great again? Is by we coming together in diaspora, in Nigeria, anywhere when we dey, make we come together to do the right thing, and we go make our country great again. And for our leaders, our politicians, make una get rethink, make una think, say this thing wey we dey do, if we continue like this, how the generation when they come after us, how they want to survive? Una don ask una sef those questions, our politicians. Why una no wan make our country great again? Why una no wan do the right thing? You wey be that contractor, when they give contract to, say make you tie road, or make you build school, or make you build hospital. Why you no wan build am with the money wey they give you? Why you no wan do the right thing? And you wey still be that politician wey be say you dey give the contract to that contractor, why e be say no be the money wey be say you dey announce for telly, no be you dey give to the contractor make e do that road, or make e build that hospital or that school? Why we dey deceive ourselves? Why we dey get joy to dey see people dey die? Why? I wan let all of us know one thing. Nobody wey no go die. All of us go die one day. As the saying dey go, say na who first die na be meat. No. We all go go. We came to this world with nothing, and we are going back with nothing. Our politicians, my people, make una remember that we came to this world with nothing, and we are going back with nothing. You, when they see your brother dey progress, you wan bring am down. You, when they see your sister dey progress, you wan bring am down. Wetin go be your gain if you bring that your brother, that your sister down? No, all over the world, everybody get winch, but we Africa, na the bad one we eat. Oyibo eat winch, but their winch not be to dey see, not be to dey bring themselves down. Their winch not be to dey kill themselves. Their winch not be to dey see person wan go up, make they bring am down. Their winch not be to dey see person dey put sickness for person body. Their winch na to do the right thing. Their winch na to see their brother dey go up, they go support am. Their winch na to build aeroplane. Their winch na to build ship. Their winch na to do better thing. But we Africans, our winch na to kill. Our winch na to bring ourselves down. Wetin we dey gain? You when see your brother dey go up, you kill am. E boxers or e slippers when small pass no go reach your hand. Wetin be your gain? Wetin be your gain? Yes, wetin be your gain? Make we stop to dey bring one another down. Stop the hate. Let love lead. Let love lead. If you see your brother dey hungry, your sister dey hungry, you give am food eat. My people dey say person wey follow person chop na shit na e pack. Yes. If you see your brother dey hungry, give am food eat. If you see your sister dey thirsty, give am water drink. Let us stop the hate and let's come together to do the right thing. Make we stop to dey kill ourselves. Make we come together, bring our brain. This one bring the idea, this one bring the idea, this one bring the idea to take move our nation. Yes. To take move our nation. In the olden days, nothing like church. All wetin we know na tradition. All wetin we know na juju. But the world not spoil as e spoil today. The world was not like this. The world was okay. Everybody dey enjoy. But why e be now say now when we say church is full everywhere. If you pass one street, you will see 20 church. If you go to the other street, you'll see 15 church. Churches everywhere. Churches everywhere. Even one room, apartment now na church. Store na church. Everywhere, church is full everywhere. And now things dey spoil pass. Now the corruption can't go up. You want tell me say our governor no dey go church? Or you want tell me say our president no dey go mosque? Or you want tell me say our senators, our House of Assembly members, our honorables, they no dey go church, they no dey go mosque? But why be say they no want to do the right thing? Why be say they no want to do the right thing? Me, I go even suggest, say before anybody go enter as a governor or as a president or as a minister or senator, they go carry juju, give the person, make it swear. Yes, my people. They go carry juju, give the person, make it swear. Because since our leaders, our politicians, no dey fear Bible again, they no dey fear God again. They go give them juju, give them Ishango, give them Yelala, give them Ogun, say make they swear. As you dey enter that post, as you dey enter that position, money come, you say make you embezzle am. You go die. You go see and say they go do the right thing. You go see and say they no go want steal again. You go see and say everywhere go dey okay. All those money wey they steal, they go stop am. They go stop am. Now because they say Bible not the key. So they are free to do anything wey they want to do. Yes. Now be waiting there they feel. Our governor children, our governor wife, our president children, our president, our minister, our senators, wife and children, their family, they Europe here, they UK, they America. They go the best school, the best hospital, everything now the best. Now everything they take. But we dey suffer. Yes, we dey suffer, we dey die for poverty. Common food we no dey fit dey afford to eat. That one no be the right thing. Common food we no dey fit dey eat. Yes. no good road, no good school, no good hospital. And all these things now our priorities. All these things we're not supposed to beg for am. Here in Europe, if they seize light for even 30 minutes or 20 minutes, you'll see and say the citizens go sue their governors. They go sue their leaders. They go sue their leaders. And they no go even take am before they even do any maintenance for maybe 10-15 minutes. They go announce am say they wan do maintenance, and once in a while. But my country, if we see light for 2 hours, 1 hour, we go dey happy. We go dey shout up NEPA. All these things na our rights, but because we have bad politicians, we have bad leaders. That is why all these things we dey feel say dey do us favor. You go see one politicians go come out saying wan empower people, carry grinding machine, carry okada, carry keke napep dey give people. Say na good thing do, in dey empower people. Yes, all these things na our money, all these things na our rights. But that politicians when do that thing, maybe do that thing for more say 1 million. 90 buy those equipment give people. You see and say money when he himself when enter in your pocket go past 10 million. When you enter in your pocket go past 10 million. But I want to tell you one thing. What shall it profit a man if you gain the whole world and loses your soul? Now wait until they tell people. We came to this world with nothing, and we are going back with nothing. Why we not go do the right thing? Why we no want to do the right thing? They say thief is thief. Thief na thief. Yes, I believe say thief na thief. But why we go after a person when steal biscuit? We go after a person when steal shigon. We no go after people when use barrel steal. We no go after people when put us in that situation. We no go after people when be say they make us they die. We no go after people when be say if they make us they suffer. Why? All those will not be thief. You use gun thief or use barrel thief. Thief na thief. Thief na thief. Our leaders make una do the right thing. Make una bring the dividends of democracy back to Africa. I'm not talking about only Nigeria. I talk about Africa, all Africans, all Africa countries. Now they talk to. Wetin una dey gain to dey see us dey die? Wetin una dey gain? Come this part of the world. You'll see everybody they waka freely. 12 o'clock in the night, you'll see people they waka free. You'll see their girls they waka for road. You'll see their girls this summer when we dey so. You'll see their girls they wear something when you go they see their pants. But if you say you get 10 head, go touch them. Whether or not be jail, you go die put for here. Touch their women here. As we dey molest our women for Africa. As we dey rape our women. As we dey kill our women for Africa. Touch their women for this side. Now jail that person go die put. Africa, our women no fit waka in the night. Even daytime they waka na problem. I remember that time when I dey in Nigeria. woman go dey waka dey pass road like this, you see boys mostly for ring road, you see all those bus driver, they go dey touch the girl yansh, dey touch the girl breast. Yes, mostly when the girl come wear short thing, they go wan rape am for road, because if they do am, wetin wan happen to them? Nothing. But come here, you go see woman go beach, see woman naked, only pant and bra, you go only look, but you cannot touch. Touch na mean you get problem. Touch mean you go jail, you go dey prison, because only touch. Talk like say if you come rape for this part of the country wey I dey so. Why we not feel mature? Our people win, our black people when say they craze for house. When they say na they really pass for Africa. Come be a country now. Come be a country. Come to this part of this country. Why we not fit do the right thing? Let's come together as an individual. Do the right thing. Put the right button on track. Respect yourself to make our nation great again. Respect yourself. Respect the ladies. The ladies respect the men. Yes, respect the ladies. The ladies respect the men. Let more get self-discipline. More get self-discipline. More fit control ourselves. See woman, they waka for street for Africa, leave her. If you talk to a woman, she green for you, fine. If she not green for you, leave her. Most stop to the rape our ladies. Most stop to the rape our ladies for Africa. Most stop to the rape them. Most stop to the kill them. They say sex when it come from the man mind, it come from the woman mind. How many meanings? Talk less of the one will not come from the woman mind. The one will use sweet belly, sweet mind say do. You not even reach us do. Talk less of the one who use fight want to do. The one who want use fight they do. Wait, which game here you want gain there? Which game you want to get one gain? Leave the ladies alone in Africa. If it come from our mind, fine. Do one with her. But if it not come from our mind, let her be. Most stop to the pregnate our teenagers. Waiting they flick you as a man, as a grown-up man, waiting they flick you for small picking body. Waiting the small picking gets. We go make you sleep with small picking. Waiting the small picking gets. If really you as a man you get sense, your brain they kick, your brain they function well. Waiting that small girl, that small boy get, we want make you rape her. You as a lady, waiting that small boy get, we want make you rape her. Leave our children to mature. Leave them to grow up and to become the leaders of tomorrow if the politicians will give them chance to. Because when they say be the leaders of tomorrow, we grow come, they not give us chance. Many of us they Libya route, many of us they Abidjan route, many of us they Morocco route, many of us they Togo route, many of us they Ghana route. Yes, because they not going to give us chance. The old leaders want just they just they chop. They say who they eat. Who not even they see they eat, not they see they eat. They eat, they know they do the right thing, I'm waiting they pay me. Give us good road, give us good hospital, give us good school, make the price of food come down, make the price of fuel come down. If as we when we get fuel, we dey feel they afford to buy the fuel, it go for good. But we when get fuel, we dey suffer to get the fuel. People when not get the fuel, they see am, they use as they like. Yes, more tell ourselves the truth. More tell ourselves the truth. We get all these natural resources, but we dey suffer. Nothing dey function for Africa. Nothing dey function for Nigeria. We no get refineries. We no get refineries. Wetin bad if we dey refine our petrol ourselves? Because corruption dey everywhere. Everybody dey gain from am. To carry petrol go overseas, many people dey gain billions, trillions from am. To carry am come back, people dey gain trillions from am. How could you imagine say we dey import most of the things we dey use for Nigeria? We get senators, we get House of Assembly members, we get all those people. Why not fit stop all these things? Why would not fit stop all these things? More they produce these things, more they manufacture these things. Why don't fit let us they manufacture these things to they get these things? Must we import everything we use? Must we import? Why can't we do those things in our country? Why can't we do those things in our country? Please, my people, please, my politicians, I beg of you. I beg of you. Many people are dying. Many people are suffering. Please, you people should do the right thing. Do the right thing and make Nigeria great again. You, as a politician, when they steal our money, people, when you're supposed to use that money to help, you know that they help them, then they die. You now be the ritualist. Now, blood money, now you and your family, they eat. You as a politician. You, when they eat pensioner money, they let the pensioners that they die. Now, blood money, now you they do. Now, ritualist you be, make you know that one. Now you be. You, when they give money, they give you money to take build school for community. You chop the money. These children were supposed to go to school. You make them, they carry gun. You make them, they do to the prostitute. That money when you dey shop, what did he say that money go be to? That money na cost money. You dey shop cost money. You when they give money, take build hospital. You not build. You chop that money. People when supposed to come to hospital country themselves that they die. Now blood money. Now you dey eat. And God will judge all of them now one day. One day be one day. The death man, the Abeme, go talk message when they send her. They say if you too push goat, push goat to the wall. You see, once you don't reach that wall, it go turn, it go face you. Our politician, if you say una don't get everything, we're not supposed to get. So even though say war come today, una go dey save. But even though say you dey save, maybe person wey dey around you no go dey save. Make we do the right thing. Please, my people, share this video so that it will get to those people in authority. Yes, because we are suffering. If our country dey good, you see and say many investors go come to invest for our country. If you get, for example, you get one country for this European country, maybe you get Spain passport, or you get Italy passport, or you get France passport, you go fit and take travel around all the European country. You don't take go around all the European country. But get Nigeria passport or get Senegal passport or get Mali passport, whether you go fit and take go any other country. You as a Nigeria before you go enter Ghana na problem. You as a Ghanaian before you go enter Cote d'Ivoire na problem. You as a Cote d'Ivoire person before you go enter South Africa na problem. But all of us call ourselves Africans. We call ourselves Africans. Why can't we do the right thing? Why can't we do the right thing? We are rich. We get all this money. We get everything we're supposed to get. Why can't we do the right things? As a Nigerian, why can't we do the right thing? Our people are dying. So many of our people are dying. In all over the world, so many of our people are dying. So many of them in prison. Go and look at my brothers and sisters in Libya. They treat them like animals. And we are rich. Nigeria is a blessed country. But we get bad leaders. We get corrupt minds. We get corrupt minds. We get corrupt minds. You when they chop, and you see person will never chop. Why you not go give that person make it still chop? Remember one thing, I let you talk one thing. We came to this world with nothing, and we are going back with nothing. And you will be that governor. You can never be there forever. You as a president, you can never be there forever. You as a senator or as a minister, you can never be there forever. You can never be there forever. One day you will come on there. Which legacy you keep as you dey come on there as a president, as a governor, as a minister? Which legacy you keep? When people will remember you for? Waiting people want to remember, waiting people for your community, people for your country, people for your state, what do they want to remember you for? Say, that governor, that president, that minister, that local government chairman, when he did there that time, see what he do. Waiting they want to remember you for. Do the right thing and make people to remember you. I dey talk something. I really beg my people. If our leaders don't want to do the right things, we as an individuals, let us come together and do the right thing. Yes, let us come together. Stop the hate. Stop fighting your brothers. Stop fighting your sisters. Stop the hate. Let us come together and make a difference. A cook boy thing. When you see your sister, your brother is going up, encourage the person, not to bring the person down. Encourage the person. Let love lead. You won't get any way to take help your brother, to take help your sister. Help her. The good way you do for person today, if the person not thank you, he go thank your pikin, or he go thank your brother, he go thank your sister when you know there. When you save one life today, that life they come to thank you or to even save others. When you empower one person today, that person becomes somebody. He go still empower other people. From there, we are moving on. From there, we are moving on. Some people go there somewhere. They go see their brother come. Hey, what did this one come see do here? What did this one come see do here? They don't want me person be like them. You when get, we don't want me person be like you. We don't want me person reach that position when you dey. Remember, say if one person reach for family, now suffer, now love for still dey. If you are rich, you are famous, help person when they around you. Let leave the jealousy. Let us more stop say this person, this nobody, I don't want anybody be like me. More stop all those kind of things. If person be like you, if as you reach, you can't see people when you can't still reach for your community, they not go too much, they disturb you. Disturb not too much, they come to you. If everybody reach, if everybody get, if everybody go feed themselves, who want come beg? Who want beg you? Nobody go and beg one another. But if only you want reach, if only you want get, you see say people go they come they beg you every time. So please, my people, let's do the right thing. When we see this Europe, when we did this part of the world, if you see your brother when you no get help am. If you see your brother in need, help am. If you see your brother never chop, you don't chop, give am food. Most stop the fight, most stop the hate. Most of the disgrace ourselves for social media. Most of the disgrace ourselves, most of the fight ourselves for social media. Let's come together. Let love lead. Let love lead. Akugbo etin. Akugbe or etin. Let love lead. If we get love, if we get akugbe, you see and say we go to move forward every day. You see and say the sky is our limit. The whites, they get compression. The whites, they get love. That is why their country develop. More get that kind of love. More get that kind of compression. So that our country go see develop. If the leaders, the politicians, they love the citizen, they not go to misbehave. They not go to treat them as they treat us. So they not go to treat us like this. Because the love is not there. That's why they treat us like this. Because they'll say, "Oh, be all this when I will say." They look us like animals. Our leaders, our politicians, they look us like animals. We only they important only the time of elections. Now they see us as people. Now they see us say yes, we dey important. Once election don't pass, once they don't do that position, they see us like animals. Their prayer that time and make we die, make everybody die. Maybe say nobody go fit even ask them they do our allocation when they come. So that more than just the chop. Let love lead. Let us love one another. Let us love one another. If you as an individual, you don't get money to take a person, but encourage that person. Don't they bring that person down with your mouth. Start to they talk evil about one another. We when see this Europe, love your brother, love your sister. If we love our brothers, we love our sisters for this Europe, you know go they see person go give woman belle, he go run leave am. If love they lead, as we did this Europe, so you know go the see single mothers everywhere. You go see and say yes, the man must deal with them. You go see and say their husbands or their baby father, they deal with them. Please let love lead. Let us love one another. And you as a girl, when they fine boy when you draw tattoo full body, now you define. Do you not want the one way go stay with you? Do you not want the one way go love you till the end? Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Because they say not everything that glitter is gold. You understand? Let us suffer with our man. Let us suffer with our woman. Love person because of who the person be, not love person because of waiting he gets. I don't really talk these things for my videos. Love person for who the person be, not love person for waiting the person gets. And you as a woman, love man. Not love man say because say he fine. Or because say he get money. No. Love man because you just love the person naturally. Or you both they follow say man, this man fine or this woman fine. They know they follow. That they love you for who you be. That they love you naturally. That means that they feel they stay together for long. That means they feel they stay together for till eternity. Till death do them. Till death come. That means they feel they stay together. But we as black, we dey follow fine. We dey follow say, man, not spend 30 minutes on top of me. Man, not spend 1 hour on top of me. That kind of man, I don't need that. I need man we go spend 1 hour, we go spend 30 minutes. The man a machine. The man a machine. Sex not be do or die. Sex not be do or die. This one I say on that topic for another day. But I just want trip and in small. You understand? Some go say the man na Indomie man. 2 minutes he don't come, 3 minutes he don't come. How many minutes you want me to spend? How many minutes you want me to spend? Love your man for who he be. Yes. That is my message today. I pray, may God keep us alive to see one another, to hear from one another every time. My people, let love lead. Let's come together and make our country great. Our leaders do the right things and make our country great. You understand? I'll be waiting. I get to talk this afternoon. God bless you all. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you for listening now.